All right, these are live visuals coming in of Mamata Banerjee, Chief Minister of West Bengal, on her way to meet the Chief Election Commissioner. And remember, ahead of the meeting, we saw those visuals where Mamata Banerjee headed towards Banga Bhavan in Delhi, alleged that people from Bengal were being intimidated by Delhi police. We'll also try and connect with our reporters. Mamata Banerjee heading towards the EC office. She's launched a scathing attack on the centre. Says Delhi cops working at behest of centre and people from West Bengal are being harassed who had come to national capital for a living. There's a delegation along with the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee. Let's go across to Shafali. Shafali, there's a live visuals. Mamata Banerjee on her way to the EC office.
Yes, Mamata Banerjee has just left her residence for the Election Commission, and along with her there was Abhishek Banerjee as well, and also the alleged SIR affected families, as the TMC has been claiming. There were around 12 to 13 people who came to the residence of Mamata Banerjee, and they had a short meeting before leaving for the Election Commission. The question is that if these affected families are also going to be there at the Election Commission, because everyone in the same at the same time have left. So it's still uncertain if the delegations consisting of MPs will also be there, or just the affected families with Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee will be visiting the Election Commission of India.
Right, and before this meeting, Shafali, we saw how the Chief Minister of West Bengal, along with the delegation there, leveled an attack against the centre, against the Election Commission as well. She said that Delhi cops are harassing, intimidating people from West Bengal who've come to the national capital for a living. And she said all of that is being done at the behest of centre.
Yes, correct. Mamata Banerjee has been saying that the Delhi police on the direction of Home Ministry and the Home Minister Amit Shah are barricading the Banga Bhavan and not letting any Bengali people to go in. And at the Banga Bhavan, there are these affected family members who are staying, and they are asking answers as to why the people are not getting letting to go inside the Banga Bhavan, either at Chanakyapuri or at Haley Road. So these are the allegations that the TMC party has been leveling since morning.
Let's listen to those allegations that were leveled by Mamata Banerjee earlier. Shafali, stay on with us.
उसको टॉर्चर कर रहा है, घर घर में जाके खून ढूंढ रहा है, कोई आया कोई नहीं आया। क्यों नहीं आएगा? अगर जिसको आदमी को डेथ हो गया है वो नहीं आ सकता है, मीडिया को नहीं बता सकता है, वो लोगों का हक है आने का। वो क्या इंडियन का नागरिक नहीं है? जो लोग जिंदा है उसको मृत्यु बना दिया, डेथ बना दिया। इसी के लिए थोड़ा से लोग आया, ज्यादा तो नहीं आ पाए कि हमारा भी SIR चल रहा है, हम भी बिजी है, हमारा भी बजट सेशन चल रहा है। लेकिन दिल्ली पुलिस का हरकत देखो, हम दिल्ली पुलिस को गाली नहीं देंगे कि उसका फॉल्ट नहीं है, लेकिन आप लोग पूरा देखो, पुलिस को दिखाने दो। आप लोग तो बैरिकेड कर दिया उसको, आप लोग प्लीज मेहरबानी करके आप लोग हटा जाओ, थोड़ा साइड हो जाओ। आप लोग पुलिस को साइड हो जाओ भाई। हेलो, पुलिस को लेकर आया, इधर से हमारा लोग है, एक पूरा बास भर्ती करके ले आया। देखो, आप पुलिस को दिखाइए, हम तो बात दिखाइए, पुलिस को दिखाइए, घुमाइए। हमारा केस, हमारा इलेक्शन कमीशन में मीटिंग है, तो ये लोगों को सोचना चाहिए था कि हम ऑफिशियल अपॉइंटमेंट लेके आई हुई है। 150 आदमी को डेथ हो गया है, उसका परिवार बात नहीं कर सकता है मीडिया के साथ। हमारा बहुत सारे परिवार आया जो जिंदा है, जिसको मौत दिखाया वोटर लिस्ट से हटाने के लिए, उसका हक छीनने के लिए। तो इसी के लिए मैं जब सुनो, मैं चला है, जिधर में वो है उधर में दिल्ली पुलिस भेज दिया है। जब दिल्ली में एक्सप्लोजन होता है तो दिल्ली पुलिस कहाँ रहता है? हम दिल्ली पुलिस को ब्लेम नहीं करेंगे, हम तो ब्लेम करेंगे उसको जो माथा पे है, उसको हिमालयन इनकॉम्पिटेंस है।
Let's go across to Shivam, is joining us from outside the EC office with a list of objections on the SIR process. Mamta Banerjee along with a delegation headed towards the EC office. Shivam.
Exactly, Swati. And here also you will see the temperatures are high. There also you will see the security deployment is quite high. The entire area has been barricaded. We've been restricted to almost 50 meters away from the EC office, and you will see the female police personnel, the male staff police personnel, the senior police officials are also present here along with the private security of the TMC. Currently present here, all the senior officials are currently present here, and they are also trying to make sure that this entire area is not jammed because of traffic. So you will see here also the tensions are high among the people. And also regarding the allegation made by Mamta Banerjee earlier with the police deployment, around 4:30 in the evening, the Delhi police is also scheduled to issue a press statement when it comes to what actually happened and what was the security issue with Mamta Banerjee. However, here you are currently seeing the heavy security deployment to almost each and every patch of this particular road, from the starting to the end, to the RAF officers, to Delhi police officers. There are a lot of people currently present on the spot, and yes, the delegation is also coming, so it is quite possible that here also she will issue a press statement and she will take the delegation inside the Election Commission office.
Right.
It is yet to be seen how many people are allowed.
All right, Shivam and
to go
Shefali,
inside
keep tracking all the developments. For the moment, we're slipping into a short break. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates.